This has to be one of the best Range Rover Sports on the market today, with a full, genuine urban conversion, which may I add costs tens of thousands of pounds, but it completely transforms the way this car looks. It's no longer an ordinary Range Rover Sport, but you have got the best diesel engine, which is the D350. It also has the best specification from the factory, which is the Autobiography. So fundamentally, you've got yourself a fantastic car, and then it's fully enhanced. And what a finish it is. 2023, 73 registration, 18,000 miles in Ostuni white, which is the metallic pearl white, not your normal flat white. But the urban conversion on this car isn't just a few badges. It really has gone the full length. But let's start with the front end because it's somewhat unique. It's got a super aggressive, stealthy look about it, even though it's white. But it's brilliant. Let me start with the badging on this very unique and a completely different bonnet. So the badging, you can see, has the three-dimensional double textured here. But as you can see, it's built in. It's set back onto the bonnet with the outer lining, and I think that's a nice little touch. Just shows that the attention to detail is right up there. You've then got the double grooves with the exposed carbon fibre, a lower level. You've then got the corner venting with the urban stamp on there, again, all carbon fibre. This front grille with a quad slat system is all carbon fibre, and I love the badge in the corner there. That carbon fibre, you're going to hear that word about 25 times in this video because it's everywhere. Now, the obvious thing is just to point at it and go, yes, carbon, 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 carbon. And that is pretty much the case. To the extent, the number plate holder is also carbon fibre. In between flicking from urban to the standard spec of the factory, I'm going to just do as much as I can. So going back to the urban, you've got the stamp in the middle with the badge in there, the strip lighting in fusion blue, which is part of that carbon fibre from bumper. And you can see quite clearly, this is not the original bumper from the factory. This is the full urban bumper, and you can see the extension, how much more it sort of lifts out, because that's where the headlight washer is in effect. So it's a lot wider, a lot bigger, chunkier, and super aggressive. You've still got the headlight washers, LED daytime running lights with a quad lighting system. They're fully adaptive. You've then got the full Widetrack arch kit, and that's this section here. It's two-piece, one there, same round the back, but the cutout's nice and neat because you still want the park assist to work. None of this is cheap, very expensive. Air suspension, standard spec. But then just take a look at these wheels. Now, I'm going to be absolutely honest. I might as well put it out there. The design of this wheel is not for everybody. Some won't understand it, some won't like it, some will just think it's plain and boring. I absolutely disagree. 24-inch flat face carbon fibre wheels with self-leveling centre caps. For me, one of the best wheels on the market on any car. I have seen a few Rolls-Royce Cullinans with these type of wheels on, and I think it works really, really well. And on this car, it's the same. It looks just perfect. Carbon fibre then continues on the side venting here, again with the urban automotive badging, which then continues onto the wing mirror covers, and then this three-piece side skirt. But I love the lift, the flicks, but the detailing as well. This is all beautiful work. Autobiography badging, sun protection glass, electric deployable door handles, and then for £3,000 from the factory, you get the electric deployable side steps. A nice feature to step onto to get into this amazing car. You've got ambient lighting, electric memory, heated, ventilated and massaging seats. You've then got piano black. It is a 73 registration, so the dials from here have moved away and gone onto the centre screen, which then makes it a wireless charging pad. Twin cup holders, more cubbyhole space underneath. The car's got 3 keys, just in case 2 wasn't enough. You've got your dash cam recorder on top of your head, clear sight rear view mirror, full Alcantara roof lining and tilt and sliding panoramic roof. The Autobiography gives you everything, other spec like adaptive cruise control, heads-up display, heated steering wheel, lane assist, and the 3D surround Meridian sound system, which makes all the difference. Now, it's a 5-seater vehicle. It's practical. In the back, you have that super rich premium leather interior, extended leather around the edges. Centre armrest comes down, third zone climate control, heated and ventilated seats in the back as well, which is awesome, so everyone gets the great treatment that they deserve. Round the back, the first thing you'll notice is the urban double lifted rear spoiler. That looks brilliant. The standard spoiler is good because it sticks out enough, but now that just lifts it, and a side profile which looks absolutely out of this world. Which then takes it back onto the big C again, which is the carbon fibre, and this triple layered That is triple, yeah, triple layered rear diffuser. But then you can see the exhaust fascias from Urban with a matte black satin finish. The F1 style rear diffuser in the bottom section. It's just got a beautiful look about it. Like the front, you have the upgraded Urban badging on the back panel, automatic tailgate with split folding seats, and there's lots of space. It's all good and well having a car that is great on fuel, that looks the part, but if you can't put suitcases in the back, pushchairs, golf gear, business boxes, whatever it is, then is it really the perfect car? This for me has a combination of great running cost, 350 brake horsepower, stunning looks by the way, the wide arch kit, the wheels, the body kit, the colour combination, interior and exterior, and then we talk about the condition. The way this car's been kept from the back of the seats, the door cards, the actual seats themselves. And then as a rear passenger, you're comfortable. You've got headroom, legroom, this centre armrest comes down, more cup holders, the climate zone, the glass lets in so much light, there's leather everywhere. It feels like a real top-end premium vehicle with premium materials used throughout. Soft closed doors being the Autobiography, so when it clicks, it shuts itself. That metallic white is really, really nice. Stop start button, you've got your paddle shift, full multifunctional steering wheel with the black chrome bezel which is on the steering wheel, but also on the centre dash, centre bridge and the door cards. 360 camera system, touchscreen media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto navigation, it's got it all. I can't think of anything that it hasn't got. I can actually. A fridge. It hasn't got a fridge, but you can get yourself to Curry's, buy yourself a big fridge and put it in the boot. The car has everything else. It really is fantastic. Do your research. You will see that at 124,990, it's the best. It's the only one in this price range. The other two that I've seen available are about £20,000 more. Not in this colour combination and not looking as good as this. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.